In today's tutorial we will discuss the bromination of this resorcinol derivative, resorcinol with two isopropyl groups, and bromination will take place between ortho between those two hydroxyl groups here selectively, because by the plus M effect of both hydroxyl group, this position is especially activated for the attack of an electrophile. You can say by the inductive effect of the isopropyl groups, also this position is activated. On the other hand, it is also more sterically shielded by the isopropyl groups. So, what reagent would we prefer for the bromination? First idea, of course, is just take elemental bromine. Electrophilic substitution will then deliver HBr. And this reagent, bromine, then developing HBr, has two disadvantages. HBr is rather corrosive. If you can avoid this, well, would be better. And bromine, well, measuring the weight of bromine is not an easy task. Well, you could just determine the amount applied by measuring the volume. But if you want to run such a reaction on a very small scale, how would you do that? Okay, you would apply a stock solution or something like that. But we have a safe and easy way for this bromination. Just start with NBS and bromosuccinimide. So also in this succinimide we have, well, an electrophilic, very electrophilic bromine, since the bromine-nitrogen bond is polarized towards the more electrophilic nitrogen. We can even activate this more by adding some acid as a catalyst. If an acid protonates the carbonyl group, then we have a cation, and this bond is even more polarized to the nitrogen. So indeed, N-bromosuccinimide is active enough to brominate this resorcinol even at room temperature. This method has another advantage. The product is succinimide, and usually in, well, less polar solvents, the succinimide crystallizes out rather nicely. The reason is that it forms such hydrogen bond dimers similar to the dimerization of carboxylic acids. However, in this case, we have a large flat molecule that will go into staples, and this means it crystallizes rather easily. So please keep in mind that N-bromosuccinimide can be applied for an electrophilic bromination of activated aromatic systems, and it's not only used for the radical bromination, for instance in the Wohl-Ziegler process, allylic bromination, as you might remember. Thanks for listening.